Beyond product recommendations, RedPoint has a number of additional capabilities that enable marketers to deliver real time experiences on the web. Here you'll see RedPoint's real time decisions workspace, essentially, a set of business rules that marketers can create to determine what content, offers, or messages are delivered at a specific time based on date, context, web events, a number of other areas. So, on the left hand side, you'll see a palette of different business rules that can be generated by a marketer. We have browser type. You might be able to choose a specific channel or interaction name. On web events, it could be a form submission or a link click or a page visit. And we'll bring in a web tracking business rule, which allows us to determine based on the number of pages visited, number of visits to a page, language or mobile, a number of different areas, really essentially determining the eligibility of content for any anonymous or known visitor on a website. RedPoint goal driven assets allow marketers to create and conduct ABN tests and apply machine learning to the process. Here you'll see the development of a new goal driven asset. It's very easy to add additional assets to compare. And essentially, you can have a publishing mode of publishing this to a landing page with a goal, or publish for use on an external page with a goal, or publish for any page and use for a separate remote goal. But essentially, you can drag in assets from your existing content management or a third party content management system, and you could determine weightings to override in the process. You can also choose between traditional ABN testing as well as a machine learning approach, which will automatically determine the right components and results to test. And from the properties, you can view the test duration. You can choose a holdout group, significance threshold, as well as publish this content to a web page, to a cache, and have content be sticky over time. So really, it starts here by developing the goal driven asset, and then you can apply this to a landing page. The creation of landing pages within RedPoint is an easy drag and drop process. As you see here, it's very similar to the email asset creation process. On the left hand side, we have digital assets. We can drag them right into the screen. We can choose specific cells in different sizes. You can choose elements to add, which could be Facebook login, pages, social plugins, handwriting, and even surveys. You can add specific links to the landing page, and then you can apply titles and goals. By applying goal driven assets to this page, you can then generate a more specific personalized experience for consumers.